Hello everybody and welcome back to Jesse's Barbershop. My name is Jesse and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this Shikamaru inspired high man bun inspired by Shikamaru and his high man bun. So let's get my hair washed and let's get started with the style. Now, first things first, obviously Shikamaru is an anime character and his bun slash ponytail is unrealistically thick. So in order for me to achieve a similar style, I know that I'm going to have to get as much lift and volume in the bun as I possibly can. So first thing we're going to do after shampooing and conditioning is applying a product that's going to help give us that lift and volume. And the product I've chosen today is Haircraft Co.'s Sea Salt Spray. I've talked about this sea salt spray in the past. I like it because it's not as gritty as a lot of the other sea salt sprays that are out there, but still does a really good job of giving that lift towards the root characteristic of sea salt sprays. So we're just going to be applying that throughout the entirety of the hair, just making sure that everything is fully saturated, brushing it through, whatever you need to do, just make sure everything is covered. And then we're going to move on to the blow dry. And what we're aiming for with this blow dry is, again, to promote as much lift and volume as possible. So as you'll see throughout this process, I'm aiming for the roots and just kind of pulling my hair and lifting it upwards to kind of incentivize it to stay voluminous and light and airy, because that's going to help later on with the bun, as you'll see. Once that's 100% dry, we can move on to actually styling the bun. Now, thanks to the combination of the product and the blow dry technique, we are left with a nice, light, airy ponytail. Now, if you've never tied a ponytail or a bun before, super easy. Just pull the hair tie over, give it a little twist, pull the ponytail through again, give it another little twist, or however many twists you need, and then you just let that ponytail through. So now what I'm going to be doing, now that the ponytail is in, I'm just going to be pulling it apart and just kind of changing the shape and direction of it until I'm happy with its placement and how full it is. And then what I'm going to be doing is applying a leave-in conditioner, again by Haircraft, to give this now exposed bun a little bit more protection from the sun and elements and stuff like that. Just make it feel a little bit nicer and help seal away the flyaways as well. We live by an unspoken code, the code of the West. And me, as a horse, it's super important that I keep my hair shiny and healthy. And when it comes to that, there's no other place I turn to than Haircraft. Cause life gets hard sometimes out here on the ranch. We got long, hard days of work, eating hay and pulling tractors and shit. But throughout it all, I know that Haircraft always has my back. Look at me run. Look how fast I'm running. Look at my hair blowing in the wind. All nice and shiny and healthy and stuff. That's some good grass. Yeehaw! Yeah, I'm a horse. Yeah, I love Haircraft. Yeah. Oh my lord. My hair's never felt this good ever. I swear to God, this stuff is amazing. I'm a horse. Haircraft Co. Hair Moisturizer. I'm a horse and I use it. So buy some and use promo code Jesse20 for 20% off. So now that we've got the hair moisturizer in, we're going to be moving on to a spray wax by Kevin Murphy. This stuff is really cool. It functions just like a wax would, but rather than emulsifying it in your hands and spreading the product that way, it just comes in an aerosol form. So it's a lot easier to use as a finishing product rather than having to rip through that bun with your fingers. You can just kind of play around with it and still get that same control that you would from a wax. And this is the final product, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's been helpful. And if you're thinking of trying this hairstyle for yourself, let me know in the comment section down below and join the free Discord chat that I'm in every single day. We got a community of guys in there that are asking questions and it's going really well. And also join the subreddit if you're into that stuff too. Hey guys, really nice having you. Thanks for tuning in. This has been Jesse from Jesse's Barbershop, and we'll hopefully see you in the next video.